How to fix reply edit forward sticker and pin option not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram DM bug issue. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to update the Instagram app. So here simply open the Google Play Store, and now here once you're inside, what you have to do is simply search for the Instagram app. And there if you find any update button, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, many DM bugs happen because the app is outdated. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart the Instagram. So here if you're facing the DM bug issue, then what you can do is just close the app completely, and after that you can simply reopen the app and check if the missing DM options are back or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check your internet connection. So here always make sure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, because a slow connection can prevent DM features from loading properly. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the Instagram cache. So here simply long press on the Instagram app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on app info. And now here once you're inside the app settings page, what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, this will remove temporary files that can cause the DM glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to log out and log back in. So here, if you're still facing the Instagram DM bug issue, then what you can do is just go to your settings section, and from there you can simply log out from your account. And once you have logged out, you can simply log back in to refresh your account, and it will help to fix the minor bugs. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the Instagram. So here if the issue still persists, then what you can do is simply uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app again. And this will usually fix the persistent bug like missing reply edit forward sticker or pin option. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.